In this quick video, I'll show you how you can make fields mandatory in your Wix contact form. So here you can see the email is mandatory in this contact form, and we can make pretty much anything mandatory that we like. So here's how you do it. So once you've imported your contact us form, you need to go ahead and click on it. And by the way, to import the form, go to add elements, go to contact and forms, and then here you can choose your contact us form. Right now we've already got one, so we're going to go ahead and click settings, then go ahead and click on manage here, then manage form, then click on edit on your form. And that should obviously bring up the form, right? Now, once your form is open in this editor, you can then click on any field which you need to make mandatory. So let's say the first name. You can then go to settings at the top here. Then go ahead and make this a required field by clicking this button here. And that will add an asterisk to that field. Then you can save your contact us form and you'll see the changes take place. So there we go. It is now a required form, and that's all you need to do. You can do that for any fields that you like.